Okay, we've started a problem. She won't take her go to bed. She won't take her meds. Like normally, I put the towel around her to take her meds, and she just won't. She goes in there, and I can't get her out. And then she says, "Okay, I'll take my meds, but not with you forcing me." So, okay, here, come on, it's time to go to bed. Everyone's in bed. You gotta go to bed. Come on, let's go. Come on. Kiwi and Cookie and Newman are all in bed. Come on, you. Let's go. So she won't even let me go in and towel her, right? She bites me. Oh! She's very quick. Anyway, so she took her meds. But I had to let her take them at her. I couldn't force them in her, or so she gets mad and bites me. And now she won't go to bed. And everyone else is in bed. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, good girl. There's treats, right? Everyone gets treats at bed. Hold on. Oh. This is when you get your cookie, right? Did you guys know that Coco sleeps with Cookie every night? Let's get your cookie, okay? Hold on. Cookie. Okay, because you're a good girl. You went to bed. Do you want that? Or are you full of pasta? See if she'll take it and dip it in water. Still mad at me. Okay, good night, everybody. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, Dodo. Did you hear that, you guys? Remember I used to call her Dodo? That's what she says. Good night, Dodo. So if anyone speaks any different languages, that Dodo or Tito or something means. Does it mean bird in another language? She says, good night, Dodo. It's bedtime, Roo. Good night. Good night, baby girl. Good night. Hi. Good night. Should we move the wind? You said good bird, eh? Cut you off. Yeah, there we go. Good bird. Good Kiwi. She doesn't like when I say good night to anybody. Good night, Cookie. Good night. Good night, Coco. Good night, Newman. Good night.
This is the life of Bo. This is the life of Bo. This is the life of Bo.